All right, developers, welcome back to day 42 of our Dev Challenge. Today we are diving deep into the basics and fundamentals. Whether you're a seasoned coder brushing up or a newbie just getting started, today's session is crucial. So why are basics so important? Think of them as the foundation of a house. Without a solid foundation, everything else crumbles. It's the same with coding. Mastering the basics ensures you can build complex applications with confidence. Let's start with variables and data types. They're the building blocks of any program. A variable is like a container. It holds data that your program can manipulate or use. Data types define what kind of data can be stored, like numbers, strings, or booleans. Now let's talk about control structures. These are the tools that help you control the flow of your program. If statements, loops, and switch cases, they let your program make decisions and perform repetitive tasks. Next up, functions. Functions are reusable blocks of code. Think of them as mini programs within your program. They help you organize your code, make it more readable, and reduce redundancy. And of course, we can't forget about arrays and objects. Arrays are lists of data, while objects are collections of related data and functions. Understanding these is key to managing complex data. All right, let's take a moment to breathe. I know it's a lot, but mastering these basics will make you a stronger developer. Now let's put theory into practice. Grab your code editor and let's write a simple program. Create a variable, use an if statement to make a decision, and write a function to perform a task. Finally, store some data in an array or an object. As you code, remember to keep things simple and clean. Comment your code, use meaningful variable names, and break down complex problems into smaller pieces. All right, that wraps up day 42. Keep practicing these basics every day and you'll see massive improvements in your coding skills. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more daily challenges. Happy coding and see you tomorrow. Remember, the journey of coding is a marathon, not a sprint. Each day you practice, you build a stronger foundation. So keep pushing forward, stay curious, and never stop learning. The basics might seem simple, but they are the key to unlocking your potential as a developer. Until next time, keep coding and stay motivated.